I've had bad experiences with dentists. So the dentist is not my friend. I've never liked my smile, ever. And if you go back to 4th, 5th grade, you will never see a picture of me showing my teeth. I have no reservations about being here at all, none, zero. You know, some people get a little nervous and stuff like that. I'm 100% at peace with this. I talked to another company in Athens, Tennessee. They were $76,000, and it was pull them out. You had to wait 3 weeks before you got a temporary, and then you had to have the temporary for, I believe it was 4 months, and then after that, then they would work on the permanent. So it was almost a 7-month process total. This is basically 48 hours. I just wanted this, you know, I wanted a new smile. I wanted a new life. I just met my great-grandson for the first time. And if you looked at the picture, there's no smile in that picture. Just my little grin, you know, and that's what every picture you see for years and years and years and years and years. Yeah, I used to do a little team roping, and Horst took the top ones out, and I was helping some guy brand some calves, and his kid didn't hold on to that back leg high enough, and the calf got me in the bottom one. So I enjoy being alive, but now I want to live. You know, I want to go out and do some travel, and I want to go out and do this. I want to do that. Maybe work another couple of years. You know, it's one of those things where if you feel the same way I do, and it bothers you here in your heart, that, you know what, just fix it.
And 3. Wow, oh, good. Really good.
I'm telling you, you guys, this is, anybody's thinking about doing this, if anybody's on the fence, this is where you go. I really didn't want to buy a rental house, or I really didn't buy a new truck. You know, I just want a new smile and basically a new life. When I sat with, I call it the big box dental place, we all know who I'm talking about. When they sat there and explained over the phone, without even seeing an x-ray, without seeing anything else, it's gonna cost between $78,000 and $88,000. You just lost my attention. It's funny that it's New Life Dental, and that's what I'm looking for, is a new life. I'm a very outgoing person. I mean, everybody that I meet, I end up making friends with. I have very, very few that I kind of shy away from. A couple times, like I have a men's Bible group I go to on Thursday nights, and everybody will be cracking jokes and stuff like that. And I'm laughing, but I'm always kind of either got my hand over my side, or I turn my head a little bit, or something like that. So imagine putting yourself in a social setting where, you know, it's mixed crowds, you know, you're doing this and you're doing the same thing. It's completely embarrassing. I'm going to get back on a plane on Saturday morning, and I'm going to fly 2,900 miles back home. It's not like I can say, oh, hey, wait a minute, I'm going to throw this in the mail and send it back to you. Well, with to do the temporary, they can literally say, okay, how did that feel? I can adjust this, and they can go right in there before that permanent goes in. It's fixed, it's already in. So when they put it in, they bolt it down. Being in the mechanical industry for so many years, I know a lot about a lot of these different, you know, components that goes into these things. This zirconia stuff is not inexpensive, number one, and not very easy stuff to work with. And yet, in what, 36 hours, well, basically 36 to 48 hours, they've got something completely built and ready to go. Yeah, I'm just can't wait.
Are you ready? They look stunning. All right, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, and 3.
That's amazing.
Wow! Oh, good. Really good. Look at you.
Wow. I need to learn how to smile now.
Oh, you got this. Yeah, now you can practice in the mirror.
Yes,
Look
you're
at
all
that.
done.
Really nice.
That's pretty amazing. I can't thank you guys enough.
Oh, you are
I can't
so
thank you guys enough.
welcome. Thanks for coming in.
This is absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
All the videos, all the stuff that you guys do, all the information you guys put out. You know, I just wanted to meet the doctor. The doctor that did all the videos. He wasn't here, so but that's okay. I get to meet all of you.
Our representation.
I'm telling you, you guys. This is anybody's thinking about doing this. If anybody's on the fence, this is where you go. I drove 2,300 miles. I came to get this done here.
Wow.
Wonderful.
You know,
Wow.
there's all kinds of them back there. They're all over the country. But what you guys do and what's been recommended, and having a friend have his teeth done here, all of it, all the testimonials, the shorts, whatever you want to call them, the videos that are out there, and I mean, this is life changing.
Oh, congratulations.
You know, thank you.